What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video, and today we're going to try to do a full haircut and beard trim with a beard trimmer. Alright guys, so recently I was hit up by a brand called Beard Club on Instagram. They have a trimmer that they really put a lot of work into. These guys are really a beard specialist company. You guys can get on there and get all your beard needs. They spent the last little while putting a lot of effort into designing a very, very good home beard trimmer, so you guys can see it right here, and we'll get into it more in a second. They reached out and said they wanted to put it to the test. Basically, we want to see how well it will perform in a full haircut and beard trim by an actual professional barber. We're going to test it out today, but before we get into it, guys, I'm going to show you some of the other stuff they sent and explain to you what Beard Club is a little bit more. All right, guys, so here's the box. The trimmer is called the PT45. I'm going to go ahead and open the box, but it's one of those Apple type boxes, so it takes me a second to get it to come apart. All right guys, so not a whole lot in the box. We do have the manual and the user guide like normal. Of course, as usual, some clipper oil and a clipper brush. And this is the dock, guys. So obviously it's unplugged, you're not gonna really be able to see it, but when you do put the clipper in it, the bottom ring lights up, be a nice little accessory on your counter at home. So guys, not only do they have their own beard trimmer, which is pretty cool, and we're gonna test it out, but they also sent their full package of beard care products. If you guys wanna check out the website, I'm gonna put the link in the description and put it right here at the bottom of the screen. But guys, you can get all of this stuff in different packages. So if you want like the deluxe package, you get the beard trimmer, you get all of the stuff that's in this box I'm about to show you, or you can kind of piece it together and get a smaller kit. But anyway guys, these are all beard essentials. Basically, all the things you need to help your beard grow, help it stay healthy and maintained. We got a beard brush, super nice brush, you guys know, to keep your beard brushed out. We got beard shampoo, beard cream, sandalwood beard oil. This is a Beard Club straight razor handle, and it does come with some blades. This is a growth vitamin spray, growth oil, and a cedar beard balm. So you guys see they got tons of different products to help with your beard, not only to help it grow, but to maintain it and keep it healthy. I checked out the website earlier, guys, and tons of 5-star reviews. I'll be honest, I've tried different beard growth techniques and oils and different things. You guys see my beard is not the best. And I'll be honest, I read the reviews and they were so great. I'm actually gonna test out some of this stuff that came in the kit and see if my beard can get any better. It definitely can't get any worse. But anyway guys, the goal today is to test out this trimmer and see how it holds up. Basically, we're gonna see how the haircut turns out and see how much battery is left in the end of the video. So without further ado guys, let's get into the haircut. All right, so you guys can see we're starting off with 99% battery. Guys, it takes about 1 hour to get a full charge on this thing from being all the way dead. We start off with 99, we're gonna check in at the end and see how much battery is left behind. The haircut is gonna be a number 4 on the sides. We're gonna taper it down on the sideburns down to skin and connect it to the beard. Guys, I'm gonna do this full haircut only with this beard trimmer. I'm gonna do the lineup and everything. I'm just gonna use the clipper close for the lineup. You guys can see we've already ran through 2 of the guards. I did find 4 additional guards in the kit that they sent, so it does come with all 8 guards. And if you guys pay attention closely, you can see me adjusting the length. It is on the bottom, and you do twist the clipper to go from open to close. This clipper has no problem cutting through bulk. Philip has some very thick, coarse hair, so you guys can see it's cutting it down super nice. Did take a slight adjustment, guys. This is slightly different than the clipper I use on the daily, and the guards are a little bit different, but you can see we're getting it done. We're gonna get the taper down to skin right here. I love the open section on this clipper, guys. Thought about keeping it on my station just for that alone, but you guys can see we're gonna operate basically the same as we would on a normal tutorial, normal haircut. Just working through the guards, open to close. And like I said, it did take a little adjustment. They're a little bit different than my normal, but I think the cut's gonna come out nice. Now you guys can see that closed clipper is actually putting a line up on this haircut. That's something that not all clippers will do, so that's pretty cool. You guys can use this to align your beard as well and clean up all the perimeter around all the way down to skin. On this side, guys, I'm gonna speed it up super fast. We'll get back together on the beard trim, talk about that a little bit, then I'll let you guys know my final thoughts on this beard trimmer. So for the beard, guys, we're gonna fade our way down. We'll start with an open clipper where we did the disconnection between the beard, then go from the 1, 2, 3, 4 guard down into it. And then just like I normally attack a beard, guys, I use about a number 2 closed and go down with the grain, using his cheek kind of as a guide, and then we'll freehand the rest. You guys will see this clipper close will freehand super nice, as well as give us a nice sharp line at the bottom and the back side of the beard. So we're gonna go ahead and fade this other side out, guys. We'll get the bottom freehanded and the bottom line lined up. You guys can check out the finished product. Now, as we clean up this hair underneath his beard, sometimes, guys, you get a lot of pulling and snagging right here. This trimmer does have a 7,000 RPM motor, it moves super quick, and it does not pull at all. I didn't have any trouble with any of the bulk or cleaning up the bald. And it also has titanium blades, and I believe that's what gives it such a crunch sound that we all love. Now you guys can see we got 90% battery left, so we used only 9%. And look at that finished product, guys. Of course we didn't cut the top, but the fade looks nice. We got a nice line on it, nice transition into the beard, and overall super happy with how the cut turned out. All right, guys, so you see the finished haircut. I think it turned out well. If you didn't notice, I didn't even use any other tools that I have on my station. I wanted to try to do it 100% with the PT45. So you guys saw I even did the lineup with it, and with this all the way closed, it did a pretty decent line. It balled it out pretty nice, so we were able to clean up around the perimeter. You guys couldn't hear it in the video, but it absolutely gives that crunch sound that we like. And I actually love the open section on this clipper. I think they are absolutely onto something with this beard trimmer. Just to have it home and do your own beard, I think this will absolutely knock it out of the park. Way better than these cheap ones that you guys get at Walgreens or CVS or Walmart, stuff like that. These little cheap beard trimmers. You know, those trimmers don't stand up at all to the type of tools that we use. And you guys just saw I did a full haircut with this. And I think the haircut turned out pretty well. So like I said, guys, if you want to check out any of the stuff, the trimmer, or any of the products that I showed before, head over to thebeardclub.com. You guys can check out all the different options and all the different prices. If you guys have any questions, hit me in the comments down below. Make sure you guys smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you guys don't miss any more content from me. And I'll catch you guys next time.